In this video, I am going to show you how to edit your voice professionally by RecForge II in your Android device. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. To edit a audio, tap on the three-dot menu from the upper right corner. Here you will find the options. You can cut, crop, merge and set it as ringtone. You can also check the metadata. Let's crop. To crop, tap the slider and select the starting option. And from the bottom slider, select the ending point. And to crop this, tap on the menu icon and select crop selection. Tap on OK. If you want to cut from the middle, adjust the slider select the portion which you want to cut, tap on the three-dot menu and select cut selection. Tap OK. By this way, you can cut as many as you want. Again cut selection. Here our audio is ready. You can use this as your ringtone. You can share this file as well. When your file is ready, then tap here to save the file. This is our edited file. By this way, you can professionally edit your audio in RecForge II. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.